Ako yung mga tropa. So, wait lang. Yan, may nakuha tayong picture. So, mga tropa, halimutan ko na ito eh. Ay, dito na. So, magre-react tayo ng mga videos dito sa YouTube. Tignan natin. So, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Wala pang visible changes. Yun. Wala pa. Yan o. So, habang nag-ano ko dito, manonood muna tayo. Diyan yun yung makikita. Magre-react lang tayo, please. Pag yung aasarit sa mga react ko dito. So, meron ako naalala dito. Nung 4 years old pa lang ako. Hindi pa ako nag-start ng vlog. Naalala ko pa to. Siren. Okay. Yan. Ito yung mga naalala ko, guys. So, movie. Tignan natin. Dito tayo magre-react. So, ito si Infinite.
Guys, Siren Head is scary. Is Siren Head real? I don't know. But someone made Siren Head the movie, and it's like a Siren
Bro,
Head
hindi
animation
yan
thing, and I want to
totoo.
watch it. You guys
Maniwala.
have really enjoyed my Siren Head videos that I've made. Yeah, boy. So let's get into it. Leave a like right now for good luck,
Yeah.
and yeah, let's just press play.
I will never forget that day.
Oh God, the
Oh
Siren.
my God din. Kasama din ako dito sa video mo, pre. Thank you. Na-copyright ako.
Was that a zombie? This
Yeah,
is a
ito na si
really good
Siren Head.
animation already. Holy.
Sa Siren Head yan, pre. Alam ko.
Oh
Alala ko
my
pa
God,
to,
this
on.
is insane. From the beginning. Look at this animation. This is crazy.
Oh,
Yo.
crazy. Crazy leaks.
By the way, guys, the original link to this animation will be in the
Ang dami kong
description.
version.
Very good animation. How the heck did you do this? Okay, let's continue. So she's got a freaking rifle. Oh, that was sick. By the way,
Dagil mo naman.
so sorry, but before we get into this, there is a game where you can basically do this. It's called Siren Head the Game, and I'm gonna play it on my gaming channel. So be prepared for that. Go subscribe to my gaming channel. It'll be in the description as well. Okay. Yo, she actually hit that headshot though on this.
Dami.
Holy, Siren Head is so fast.
Ano, sobrang bilis.
Run. She's faster.
Pre, mag-shotgun kayo. Pagtulungan niyo yun.
Oh God. Oh look! Yo! Who did he get?
Mukhang tayo sa Siren Head, guys. Mukhang tayo eh.
Movie, bro.
Alam naman natin matagal na yung patay. So, sa mga may alam na memories dito, comment kayo dyan. Kung alam niyo pa yan.
Oh God. Yo, you have a pump shotgun. Hit a 200 pump damage
Para
on him.
tago ko na. Bibigla ka na lang yan.
Oh no.
Bibiglain ka na lang yun kasi mamaya.
Oh, that's what Siren Head. Hey, I'm trying to watch. It's my phone.
What?
Yo. So she's dead. No. Is that his wife, girlfriend? Oh my. That's what Siren Head does to you.
Wait lang. Ba't ganun yung mukha ng kanina? Wait lang.
So she's dead. No.
Lang.
Is that his wife, girlfriend?
Tignan mo naman kung anong mukha yan, pre. Anong ginawa niyan? Anong mukhang lasa yan? Mukhang niluto na eh. Parang nasunog na eh. Ano yan?
Oh
Sige lang mo
my.
na ito, visit.
That's what Siren Head does to you. Siren Head,
Siren
you
Head ba yung
monster.
sa tayo, guys? Greg pa.
Oh! Yo, the guns actually do quite a bit of damage. You just need to keep shooting.
Pre,
You just hit
magtatago
that
lang yun.
nice little no scope, bro.
Tatago lang
That's some
yan.
good aim.
Tago ka
This is
lang.
insanely good anime. Like, this is a crazy good animation. Oh, it's gonna be behind you, bro. Grandpa, turn around. Oh, I'm
Pre,
scared.
tatalo na
I'm
yan.
scared. Oh my God! Is there more than one? Okay, no. Still
Wait lang. Ito pinaka nakakatakot. Pagkabakita mo tong ano na to. So, kung may kita mo naman tong boys. Kung may kita mo to, pre, may kita mo to. Yan, nakikita mo yung ano na yan. Sigurado kang gusto mo habulin ka niyan. Anong gagawin mo kapag hinabol ka niyan? O tatakbo ka agad ako kasi, balik ka. Habulin ka niyan. Okay, sa habulin ka ng cobra. Pipiliin ko yan kasi yung cobra, hindi mo alam kung nasaan. Pwede, hindi mo makikita yun kasi pwede mag-camouflage yan. Diba?
Dude, that thing is so
Caption
scary.
to.
Bro, destroy him. Oh, Grandpa.
Papano?
No. How do they get rid of this thing? Oh no. No.
Pinatay na.
Oh, bro, the mouth. Grandpa. Everyone's
Daming
dying.
ano.
Keep doing that. Keep doing. Oh, this guy don't care. This. Oh, maybe he should care. Okay, that's the daughter. Oh no. Siren Head, you better not kill her.
Oh my God. Talagang tatakbuhan ko na yan. Mabilis ako tumakbo eh.
Imagine if that was chasing you.
Pre,
I
anong
would.
klaseng takbo yan? Ganito yun ang wait lang. Ano yan takbo niya eh. Di ko alam kung ganito ba. Tumatalon-talon na pala. Gumagano to ganun. Ganun? Walang ganun. Walang
Freaking tripped.
utak
What an
na
idiot.
baliw na baliw.
What? What happened? What does that say? Shelter? Go, go, go! Why are you
Oh,
waiting
shelter,
there?
pre.
Yeah, Betty! Where did it go? It literally tripped and then disappeared.
So, pre,
So I'm actually
let's
like
go.
really like in the movie right now. This is a movie. Oh, what is that? Wait. Did you see that?
Hmm.
What the heck is that? Do you
Oh my
see
God.
that?
Oo. Kala ko kung nasan yun.
Is it gonna tell us what that is? Because that was definitely something.
So, may
Oh,
mga
no.
naka-hidden secret pala
Warning.
dito.
Caution. Is that the shelter sign? Yeah, it is.
Wait lang. Wait lang, guys.
Oh god.
Okay. Okay na.
Oh, it's right there. Sorry, I spit. I barely saw it, dude.
Wait. What the? Ano yan? Pre, ano yan? Ano yan?
What is that?
Nakita niya din.
What was that?
What was that?
That
What
was
was
not
that?
Siren Head.
Shit.
What the heck is that thing?
Recipe yata yan.
What was that? So, this is the shelter? This don't look like a shelter. This looks like a graveyard.
Review yan na lang yan.
Okay.
Okay,
Bro,
okay.
I don't know what is behind her, but you better freaking turn around, Betty. You're the only one alive.
Oo nga.
The dad might be alive too. I don't know. Police line, do not cross. Okay. Oh, that's Siren Head. That's the Siren Head alarm thing. Only true believers can. I can't read. This is like really well made. Oh, Jesus! Stop that now, freaking crow, idiot. I literally have the chills. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding right now.
Oh my God, bro. Ayan na siya.
Dude, he's massive.
Mas wala pa dyan si Titan.
Is that Siren Head talking or the alarm or like the speaker? Dude, there's gonna be a jump scare. If it gets quiet, there's always a jump scare.
Yan, dun.
Oh, no.
So, ano yun?
Run, Betsy. Oh, that was kind of cool.
Danger,
Danger,
keep
keep
out.
out. Yeah, let's go there. Let's go to that place.
Wala tayong
Siren Head
takip.
did this, not the hurricane. Oh. Oh. So there was a hurricane,
Wala ko sa...
and then Siren Head. Looks
Ay,
like
wala
a
naman sa
great day
akin,
for these people. Someone crashed their freaking car, dude. In case I die, I've recorded all I know about Siren Head on these tapes. Listen to them to
Nagdaman
learn
pa.
the truth, and they're just there. So it's just the girl left. There's no one else. Is there someone in there? Oh, wait!
Cartoon cat.
A little kitty? Mommy?
Oh my God! Nagot ka.
Oh! Okay, what was the little cat thing though? What
What?
the heck is this?
Si Cartoon Cat yun,
Anyways,
alangan.
let's continue.
Ikaw,
So you
wala
heard
kang
that. It
utak.
said
Wala kang
Emily in
utak.
her mom's voice. And so she turned around, she's like, Mom? It was Siren Head. Siren Head can portray from its mouth anything it wants to. It can portray your mom, your dead mom, saying your own name, which is terrifying. And obviously, it's Siren Head. As you can see, that is terrifying.
Terrifying. Urban legend na tayo.
Oh my, just imagine being in this position. No, it's not.
Pre, sobrang lapit na niya. Wait lang. Sobrang lapit na niya. Palang 2 kilometer na lang yung pre. Nakikita na siya. Takbo ka na lang.
Oh my
Magpagabulan
god,
ka.
I hate Siren Head is terrifying. Like, what can she do? She can't do anything. You're freaking dunzo, dude. This,
Tignan mo.
what is it? It has something wrapped around it, like a rope?
Lagi ko
Interesting.
pa yung nakikita dati pa nung bata ko.
You're done, bro. You're done.
What the wala siya?
Is she in there? Where did she go? I don't know, Siren Head. Oh, she dipped. She dipped. Come on, Emily. You're the last survivor. You can do this. Just find an RPG and then. Oh!
Pre, ang ingay. Ang ingay talaga, ang ingay. Sobrang ingay ng sigaw niyan, parang turtle. Parang sigaw sa kalawakan.
Jesus!
Kita mo
Oh
yan?
my god, look at that freaking. Oh,
Wait lang. Kita niyo to guys, yung subscriber niya. Yan, yung 20 trillion na yan. Itong 23 trillion na yan, ito. Yun o. Yung, si Infinite na yan. Yan, nakikita niyo sa baba. Pag-subscribe din kayo para maging ganyan naman din tayo. Gusto ko lang naman ng subscriber eh. Libre lang.
Ow! Can I do
Pero
that with
rock
my
na
mouth?
tayo.
You are adorable. Okay. So who's that guy? What is that? The tape? What does he have?
Pre, takbo.
That guy has something.
Takbo na.
Dude, Siren Head is like 30 plus feet tall. He's like the size of a building.
Hindi, mas mataas pa yung building kaysa dyan.
Oh god. Oh no. What?
There's nothing here for you.
Oh, the
Tatay niya,
dad.
visit. Tatay niya yan. Tatay niya yan.
My daughter, she's a smart girl. And I bet she
Dad,
understood
don't
she had to
do
get
it.
away from this place as fast as possible.
Don't sacrifice.
And no matter whose voice she might hear behind her, she will not stop. I say it again. She will not stop.
Magagalit po ata. Sabi ko
Oh,
din,
you're freaking.
magagalit lang.
Look at its head. How does it do that?
I'll find her here.
Oh, she's running. Dude.
When the time comes, believe me, she will find you.
Pre, tumatakbo na talaga sila.
To
Oh,
bring her home.
dito na yung mga pulis.
Oh no, that's not her. I thought that was her in like the future.
Saka na, mamamatay na ata.
So the dad sacrificed. No.
Love you, Emily.
So, bali sa nakita natin, pre, namatay pa rin yung tatay. Tignan mo kung gano'ng kahaba na yung video. Tikita mo to. Ano nagsasakripisyo ko sa inyo, pre? Please lang, mag-subscribe kayo and like na. Bye-bye.